Hello all, just doing a real quick video on the Tablecraft 522 6-inch 2-prong chrome plated shellfish fork. It does come in a pack of 4 as you see here, and I just wanted to be able to let you know the shellfish, not only can you be able to use this just for shellfish, but if you're not using it or eating it all the time, you don't want to just sit inside of your cupboard. Use your imagination. You can use it for many things. So for this particular video, I just wanted to be able to show you. I'm going to go ahead and open them on up. And I just wanted to show you, you can be able to use it for so many things. For example, like the meatballs I have here in front of you. So let me go ahead and move this on out the way. And I just wanted to be able to show you that, again, there's so many uses for it. So you can see you can just be able to have it there, just stick in there. And the little ones can be able to easily pick it up, or they can be able to have it where they have their own shellfish fork that they be able to use to pick up the meatballs. Or you can just have it like what I'm doing, just sticking it on in there, and the little ones can just grab it and keep eating it and keep sticking it in and, getting more meatballs. But again, the list is endless. You can definitely use this for so many uses. Just use your imagination. Thank you so much for watching.